In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn audio into social media posts using n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into how this process works. n8n is a powerful open-source automation tool that allows you to create complex workflows without needing to have any significant coding skills. It's great for integrating various apps and automating tasks, making your life a little easier, especially when it comes to handling audio content. First things first, you'll need to have n8n set up and running. If you haven't done this yet, there are several ways to install n8n. You can run it locally on your machine or host it on a cloud platform. Whichever option you choose, make sure you have it installed and accessible. You can always find installation guides on their official documentation site. Once you have n8n up and running, let's take a quick look at our main objective, transforming audio content into engaging social media posts. This process typically involves a few key steps: uploading your audio, converting it to text, and then sharing that text on your preferred social media platforms. To start, create a new workflow in n8n. This is where you'll map out the automation process. The first node you should add is an HTTP request node. This node will allow you to upload your audio file. You can either use a direct link to the audio if it's hosted online, or configure a webhook to receive the file. Next, once your audio is uploaded, we'll need to convert that speech into text. For this, you can use a speech-to-text API like Google Cloud Speech-to-Text or a similar service. Add another node to your workflow and configure it to interact with the chosen API, sending your audio data for transcription. Make sure to handle the authentication properly and select the correct parameters for the audio file. After you have the transcription done and received the text response, it's time to format that text for a social media post. You might want to include a catchy introduction, hashtags, or maybe even a link back to the original audio file if possible. Creating a set node in your workflow can help you structure the final post. Here, you can add all the necessary elements of your post. With the formatted text ready, it's now time to share your content. Depending on your preference, you can add nodes for different social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Each platform will have its own requirements, so be sure to adjust the details accordingly, such as image attachments or link previews. Once you have configured the social media nodes, connect everything together within n8n. This will create a flow from uploading the audio, transcribing it, formatting the text, and finally publishing the post. Be sure to test your workflow to ensure that everything runs smoothly. After confirming that your workflow is functioning as expected, you should activate it. This way, you can automate future audio to social media conversions with ease and efficiency. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to turn audio into social media posts using n8n. Now you can share your audio content in an engaging format with the world. Remember, the possibilities with n8n are vast, so feel free to explore further and customize your workflows. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thank you for watching.